I'm here at Embassy Suite Waikiki Beach Walk. This is located in the heart of Waikiki. So this place is easy to go, place to eat, or you can enjoy shopping, and everything is a walking distance. So it's so convenient. And everything is an all-suite room, so you can have a free breakfast too. And they have a free fitness club 24 hours. So let me go check the room, and then we will see how nice it is. So let's go. Wow. Look at the view! Oh my gosh! Let's see how comfortable this is. This is good. So good. If you want to enjoy the ocean view here, why don't you opt for this sofa bed? Ta-da! It becomes sofa bed. So actually you can stay here. So even though this one is a one bedroom, actually four people can stay here. And then just relax. In Embassy Suite Waikiki Beach Walk, every room has a breakfast bar. So you can buy kind of fast food or bread that you can put in here. Or you can use a microwave. And then you can enjoy the chocolate coffee or your wine. Here is the swimming pool area, and there is a bar over here. You can, at least one day, you can just lay down and relax yourself. You can enjoy it. Please come to Hawaii and stay at Embassy Suite Waikiki Beach Walk because every room is sweet, so you feel like you're the most special person. Please make yourself at home and enjoy your moment in Hawaii.